This is a review for best PDF editor for Windows, plus a tutorial on how to edit or convert PDF to any Word file, Excel, PowerPoint, image or text file with a simple click. So if you are looking for a PDF editor to manage your documents, this video is for you. Watch till end and you will get to know about a best PDF editor for Windows. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, back with another video, and today we will talk about best PDF editor for Windows. Well, PDF has now become the most preferred document format to be used in various industries, which makes a PDF editor essential. So today I am sharing with you all EaseUS PDF Editor, which is all-in-one PDF maker, reader, editor and converter. With this, you can convert PDF file to Excel, Word, PowerPoint, images or vice versa. Not only this, you can also split, compress and annotate your PDFs. That's not enough, you can also merge, compress, split, sign, protect and add watermark to PDF as well. To download it, you need to check the link in description and pinned comment to visit this page and then click on free trial. Download starts. And once download completes, click on the downloaded file to start with the installation process. Once done, click on finish to launch EaseUS PDF Editor. Here we have options to edit PDF, create PDFs or combine PDFs. And here at top, we have many more capabilities of EaseUS PDF Editor. But for now, to open a PDF, we have this option open files. And we can also go to top left corner and click on file menu. In the file menu, click on open. This opens up the Windows file picker. I have a PDF right here called Webitman proposal that I want to edit. I will select the file and then click on open. This now opens up my PDF here in the EaseUS PDF editor. Now let's try out various capabilities of EaseUS PDF editor. From here we can convert our PDF file to various formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML. We can also convert this to various image formats of bitmap, JPG, PNG and GIF as well. Let's convert this PDF to JPG images, and for that click on JPG and it opens up a dialog box. Here we have options if you want to convert a single page or all pages or want to select custom page range. After that, click on OK to convert PDF to JPG. Give it a name, adding images at the end and then click on save. File successfully gets converted. Let's open file location to see them. Here we have all pages of PDF converted to different JPG images. Let's open to preview them. This is how easily one can convert PDF to JPG image. We can also convert this PDF to Word file, and for that click on convert and then Word. It starts converting file to Word. Here it successfully gets converted to doc. We can not only preview but can also edit it as well. This is how easily you can also convert your PDF to a different format with EaseUS PDF Editor. So simple and easy to use. If you want to give it a try, check the link in description and pinned comment. Now let's try to edit this PDF, and for that click on edit. Now from here we can make changes to our PDF. Let's change this Webitman to WM Originals. And let's change from here also. We can not only change text, but from this editor's panel we can also change size, color of text, change font style as well. We can also add text box, images, and we can do more text formatting from here. And once we are done with it, click on this to save, or can also save this file to another one. Click on save as and then give it a name, adding updated at the end, and click on save. Now from this pages option over here, we can split our PDF pages, delete a single page or add a page as well. Not only this, we can also crop, rotate or combine PDF from here. Let's split this PDF to different pages, and for that click on split document. From here we can choose number of pages to have in a single document, file size as well. Once we are done, click on OK to split PDF. Here it mentions Webitman proposal PDF has been split into 4 files successfully, and here we have our different files. Each page is converted into different PDF files. Now let's add watermark to our PDF, and for that click on watermark and click on add. Now from here we can add text watermark. Let's write official. We can change font style, can change text size, change its color as well. We can also change watermark opacity, and not only this, we can also add an image as watermark. For that, just click on file and browse to pick a file to add it as a watermark. But for now, let's add text watermark, and once we are done, click on OK. Now from here we can also add header and footer, add background, and can also add bullets numbering as well. And once we are done, we can save or save this file to another file from here. Now let's move to next feature and know how to password protect our file. And for that, click on protection. From here, click on encrypt with password. Now here we can set open password. Just select this box and then enter a password, and here also. And not only this, we can also add permission password to it as well. We can enable or disable text, image or other content being copied. But for now, let's add a open password. And for that, click on OK. And our file is successfully password restricted now. File gets saved, and to open it, we do require password as we have protected our file with password. Just enter password to open file. Now what if we are required to sign a PDF document? You could very easily insert an electronic signature right up here. I will go to sign option, and from here click on sign document. Here it asks to draw a signature rectangle. Just click and draw a box at bottom right corner or wherever you want to insert signature. Now from here we can select appearance type. From this drop down menu, select create new style, and then here we have various options to add sign. But for first, give it a name, and then click on imported graphics and click on browse. Right here I have a PNG file with my signature. I will click on open. We can also change opacity and can also configure text to be added, such as date, name, location. Just uncheck all if you want just an image as signature and click on OK. Now from here click on sign. Give it a name to saved document with signature. File gets saved, and to open it we do require password as we have protected our file with password. Just enter password to open file. Here we have our PDF ready with signature. This is how easily you can edit and manage your PDF using EaseUS PDF Editor. Now let's talk about pricing, and for that let's move back to official website, and now click on buy now. Here we have different plans for Windows devices. Just choose the plan as per your requirement and complete with your purchase. You can choose the plans as per your requirement. Want to give it a try? Check the link in description and pinned comment. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in future, please consider subscribing. Also, if you want to see me cover any other topics on this channel, leave a comment below. That's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.